So Casey Neistat has returned to New York, and Casey is a big influence for my videos. Back in 2016, when I restarted this channel with a new iPod Touch and coming back from YouTube after spending a long time away from it, I decided to get a bit more serious with filmmaking. And one of those filmmakers that inspired me was Casey Neistat. Casey Neistat is of course a very big name on YouTube. If you haven't heard of Casey Neistat, he was infamous for his New York vlogs, where he would vlog every single day. And the thing that made Casey's videos so unique was the editing style. As a filmmaker, Casey was in his craft, in his element. Those vlogs he did every day were amazing. He made really mundane tasks and normal day-to-day life very cinematic and interesting. We were watching a series of movies about someone's life and you were hooked. That's what Casey did. He did actually re-inspire me, because the last video I made, I was kind of saying that the vlog I was making back then, I wasn't too proud of it, and my enthusiasm kind of just dissipated. Seeing Casey return back to New York, seeing the filmmaking style again, really did reignite my passion for YouTube and vlogging. And all it takes is for that inspiration to come back, that kind of drive, and that's what we're going to be doing with this video. Swish! Hope that worked. Okay, let's start this video. Just woke up. Today is the 17th of September. It's a Saturday. Let's go. Gonna take a shower. Done. Gotta change my bed sheets. Done. Time to bake a cake. I promise, I don't just eat pizza. It's just a coincidence that we're having pizza again. Although, I'm not complaining about eating pizza again. Cake baked. If you're wondering what the cake is, it's a coffee cake. Obviously, it's not going to end up just looking like this. We are going to add something else to it, something that's quite cool, and something that a lot of people would have done during the first lockdown. Before we make any changes, let's go for a walk.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed.
Surprisingly hot on this walk. It's quite nice. It's quite quiet and peaceful. Finding the walk, Mum.
Yeah, really enjoying it. The autumn sunshine. And just seeing all the different colours and just seeing, yeah, meadows are settling down for the winter.
Nicely put.
So I thought I needed.
Let's go home. Tired. Hello. You relaxed? You look very relaxed.
You make
I think it's time to eat. I think I ate too much spaghetti bolognese. It's that time in the evening where I've had food, it's getting dark out there. I mean, it's pretty dark out there already. And it's time to relax. Wow, look at that, you can see the moon already, look at that. Just kidding. It's the light in my room reflecting off of a window. Gotcha. I really hope you've enjoyed this week's video. I certainly have myself. I've enjoyed making this and using the swish pan technique. Yes, I know Casey Neistat does it, and I'm pretty sure a lot of YouTubers out there have done the same thing, but sometimes it just takes that little bit of inspiration from someone that you admire for you to kind of get more passionate and enthusiastic about filmmaking and vlogging. Inspiration comes in different shapes and forms, and sometimes it comes in the form of people that you aspire to be like, or are inspired by, or look up to. And for that, I have to thank Casey Neistat for getting me out of my kind of writer's block type of thing, or should I say vlogging block, where I just didn't know what direction or drive to have for my video, and he gave me that drive. So thank you, Casey. Let's get back to that cake. Now, during the 2020 lockdown, people were making a coffee drink known as dalgona, and this dalgona drink was basically coffee mixed so much that it became a cream substance, and yet no cream was used to make it. You're probably wondering, what does it have to do with this cake? Well, the recipe that I've used to make this cake, the final thing to do is use dalgona cream and put it on the top, and that is what we're about to do. All I've added is 5 tablespoons of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of coffee, and 5 tablespoons of boiling water. And once you've done all that, whisk. Keep whisking. How about whisking in slow-mo? And there you go, coffee cake with dalgona cream. I believe that cake went down very well. I think it's time to put my PJs on and get into bed. Thank you guys for watching, and good night.